Yeah, the money, get money, yeah. Got a new girl to take it, ex-girl mad cause I made it. A lot of girls want me, she see, that's why she hate it. Tell her homegirl come with it, ask both of them can I hit it. Clothes drop, I wear it, keep a back chick, Jordan leg it. She so fine, blow my mind, let her be with her just one time. What she want, she get it, new outfit, she killing it. But I still want that seduction, shout out to that girl Brittany. Looking like a bag of money, straight hunters, bump a 50. I got plenty money, haters, and I got a lot of exes. Bump them more cause my next old lady, she gonna be the bitches. She say, I know you love the things I do, but you don't show it. When she leave, I always miss her, but I do not let her know it. But sometimes I feel like I get played by these bitches. She my witness, fucked her and her homegirl, so what's the difference? Where they turn on you, you never know. I just fuck them and let them go like Courtney Hunt. Shout out to you, bitch, for being a fucking hoe. I don't wanna be mean, but I gotta let you know. I'm addicted to being single, I gotta let you go. I still love you though, still love you though. I love you both. Most of the time we in back texting, and I'm right back stretching. Getting caught up with two girls, I done learned my lesson. I still love you though, yeah, I love you both, but I gotta let you go. One minute you happy, then the next minute you done with me. Don't wanna leave, but I got a girl, I'm in love, I'm sorry. I told her I was done with Ken, never cheat again, I'm sorry. But that changed when I got drunk and seen her at a party. Damn, guess I'm losing it right now. If she find out what happened, I know that shit gonna go down. Fuck it, you ain't gotta have a camera just to get the picture. I don't think I love the bitch, but fuck it, yeah, I miss her. Easily attached, I had her back. She had my back, I go to work, she stay at home and work for me. She selling sex. That first night I met you, what you said, I won't forget it. All the gang gon' quit it, girl, cause really I ain't feeling it. I love her more than my sister, baby girl was like my nigga. She was 100, but she changed, started fucking with other niggas. It's my life, fuck you bitch, do what I want, just let you know. Put it on my mama till I die, money over hoes. I don't wanna be mean, but I gotta let you know. I'm addicted to being single, I gotta let you go. But I still love you though, I still love you though. I think I love you both. Most of the time we in back texting, and I'm right back stretching. Got caught up with two girls, I done learned my lesson. But I still love you though, yeah, I love you both, but I gotta let you both go. Oh, let you both go.